it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on our new channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix messages not sent on Messenger. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and whenever you're trying to send messages on Messenger, but the messages are not delivered, well, there are many reasons why you can send messages on Messenger. Well, the first reason, make sure that you have fast enough connection where you're going to be able to send messages. And if your connection is weak, then just wait till your connection be fast and then resend your messages. Another thing that you can do to fix that problem, go to your settings. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on Apps option. Here, a list of options will appear, so choose the second option, Manage Apps. And now scroll all the way down and look for Messenger app. And here it is. So tap on it and then tap on Clear Data, then Clear Cache. Now confirm and then go back to Messenger again and resend your messages, and that should fix your problem. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.